Here's a comparison between GenSpark and Anything AI. GenSpark is available on iOS app which gives you AI slides, AI docs, as well as AI chat that has a free chat for top-tier AI image models. On the other hand, Anything AI can turn your words into mobile apps, states, tools, and products. So this is just like any other AI tools that you can build up. Now, here's a table for concise comparison. For core function, GenSpark AI has an autonomous task execution plans and executes complex multi-step workflows, while Anything AI has a text information generation. For real-world action, GenSpark has a unique capability to act, while Anything AI has a zero-world action that cannot interact with the real world or other external systems. For internal architecture, GenSpark is a mixture of agents, while Anything AI has a single large language model that relies on one core model, which is the GPT-4. Now, if you're looking for a more autonomous and professional model for agents, then you can go ahead and install GenSpark. But if you're looking for a simple AI that can go ahead and build apps, then you can go ahead and install Anything AI on your end.